If you've just got a MacBook Air M3 running on the latest Mac OS and you want to download some third-party apps, games, software, browser, even if those are not available on App Store, we'll show you 2 different ways to install applications on your MacBook M3. So whatever Apple ID you are logged in with, it will be automatically logged into your App Store. So after opening up App Store, if you're just here to explore, you can visit all these categories one after another and check out all the recommended apps in here. Or you can manually search for the specific app if you have something in your mind. When you find your desired app, simply click on Get. You might be asked for your Apple ID or password or Touch ID if that's enabled. Just go ahead whatever ID is asked from you. You can download multiple apps at once by this process. Now, what if you're looking for an app or maybe a browser that's not on App Store yet? You know what I mean. So what you're going to do is just open up Safari, redirect yourself to Google, and then simply search for that specific app that is Mac OS compatible, and simply click on Download. In the middle of the installation process, you can just click on this download arrow and you might see that it's installing along with some DMG files or the installer, depending on which app you are installing on your Mac. When the download completes, let's double click on it. And when prompted, just go ahead and drag the app to your Applications folder. You'll be redirected to Finder inside Application. When the copying is done, you can just click on the app to set up, and then you can just use it right away. Now, when the setup is complete, in some apps, in some cases, you might see an installer or downloader on your home screen. If you want, you can just go ahead, drag it, and eject it from here. And apart from that, if you go back to the download folder on Finder, you might see some DMG files in there, just in case you want to download it once again later. If you want, you can keep them there, or if you wish, you can just send them to bin or delete them. And that's pretty much how you can download and install any app on your MacBook M3. Thanks for watching.